What's going on, guys? Today we're going on an epic journey to the lesser known Italian islands of Ischia and Procida. Forget the tourist traps and join us as we uncover the best secret spots of these incredible islands.
Today we caught the ferry to Isle of Ischia in the Gulf of Naples. So Ischia is meant to be the more relaxed version of Capri. So you can come here if you want to have a more relaxing holiday. So we are in the town of Corrolo. We're just catching the bus around the island. A day ticket cost us €4.80, so not bad. And the roads are a lot bigger than they were in Capri, so it's a little bit less chaotic with cars. The buses were still full, but it's also early in the morning and people are trying to get places.
If it is your first time visiting Ischia, we highly recommend renting a scooter. The buses can be extremely busy and make it very uncomfortable to get around. Renting a scooter is affordable and makes life a lot easier for getting around the island in your own time.
We are now in the town of St. Angelo. The buses are just crazy busy here. The roads aren't too bad, but there's just so many people getting around by a bus with big suitcases going from hotels, and it's nuts. Like, you can't move, and to try and get off you just have to push and scoozy, and most of the time they don't move. So yeah, if you haven't already had COVID and you don't get it from being on one of those buses, I think you're pretty safe.
This fortress dates back to 474 BC and offers stunning views of Ischia. Classic, show the view and then show me.
So we are now catching the ferry to Procida from Ischia. So it's a day of island hopping. Procida was actually voted the Italian culture capital for 2022, and it's a very beautiful place, and we've just got some tourist information and a map, and all buses on the island are free. Bellissimo. It's so nice and quiet here and relaxed. It's just amazing. Definitely somewhere I would want to come back to and just have a relaxing holiday.
Navigating the narrow winding streets of Procida, we find ourselves at Castel Veselio, a delightful corner where the island's charm comes alive.
Put some takeaway pasta in line and just enjoy.
From the panoramic spot, marvel at the picturesque sight of Procida's most iconic village, with its vibrant pastel-coloured houses cascading down to the harbour. This breathtaking advantage point captures all that is beautiful
So
in
it's
Procida.
now time to go back to Pozzuoli to get the ferry back and to head back to Tommy for the night. Unfortunately, you can't bring a camper van or any cars onto the island of Procida between April and October. So definitely not a camper van friendly island, but definitely beautiful, and we will be coming back one day. One day. Yeah, but still one day.
Okay.